is now, tomorrow not later. Now when the world tells me I'm ready, I am ready. I am aligned, I am present. Every fear I released, every moment of calm I claimed, every breath I took with intention has led me here. The old way is gone, the hustle for approval is over, the chase for external validation is finished. I create from the inside out, I manifest from a place of peace. I step into abundance because my energy is sovereign. The shift isn't in the world, it's in me. It's in the alignment.